Number 5. Midea 7.0. Mechanical control with adjustable thermostat from -12 to -28. Contains one hanging wire storage basket. Hinge style door remains open from 45 to 75 degree angles. Dimensions: 33.46 L x 37.2 W x 20.59 H. Full 1-year/compressor 2-year warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Danby 7.2 cubic feet. 7.2 cu foot. Interior capacity. Environmentally friendly R600 a refrigerant. Energy efficient foam insulated cabinet and lid. 1 adjustable white wire basket. 1 compartment divider for easy organization. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Haier 7.1 CUFT freezer. Provides a large storage area for frozen food. The front thermostat control allows you to make easy adjustments to the temperature. A flat back design with recessed handle saves precious space. Dimensions: 37.01 L x 21.65 W x 33.27 H. Warranty 5-year sealed system. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Winter FM65G. Capacity: 65 quarts or 107 cans. Operates as a refrigerator or freezer. 8 feet AC power cord and 5 feet DC power cord. 2 removable wire baskets are included. LED temperature display. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. EdgeStar Compact. 12/24 volt power lead, 6 detachable power cord. Range: -8 degree F to 50 degree F. Side grip comfort handles. Flash freeze function rapidly cools the unit to -8 degree F. Dimensions: 15 H x 23.5 W x 12.5 D. Please check the description for details and best price.